Hey guys, it's me, Voltage Wolf. You know, the virus has been wigging out recently, like exploding and going to new places. Well, here's some ways to help prevent you from getting this virus, okay? First, wash your hands. You know, it's a good practice if you wash your hands because it stops the spread of disease. 2, don't touch your face. You know how much bacteria can accumulate in the hidden areas on your face? Even if it's like the ears, the mouth, or the nose, or even the eyes. Don't touch them. 3, stay home, okay? As this virus is just everywhere now, stay home, okay? Don't go out too often or you will catch it from someone that has been doing the same mistake. 4, keep your distance, okay? Keep your distance, because the infected will somehow, you know, if you're close enough, they will infect you. Now, a side note, I'm not trying to make the infected look bad or anything. It's just I'm trying to save you healthy people. Keeping just separating the sick from the healthy, okay? I only want healthy people. Don't take this in a wrong direction. I still care for the sick. I just stop the spread of disease by giving you these tips. Now, if you do all 4 of those things, washing your hands, not touching your face, keeping your distance, and not going out too often, you are very less likely of getting sick. So, please, do those. Just, you know, avoid the sick. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, and furry-related stuff, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Don't want to miss anything? Consider hitting that notification bell to get notified of all new content heading your way. And this has been Voltage Wolf, and I'll see you guys in the next session. Goodbye, Packmates. I am going to YouTube and chill now.